Hi, everybody. Today we're going to look at using the IT knowledge base to help you with collect information and also kind of help you troubleshoot with technology here at Ashland, specifically referring to email. So, the first thing we want to do is we want to go to the Ashland website, scroll to the MyAU, and we want to click there and go to Submit a Ticket. This will take you to this menu here. To submit a ticket, I would suggest you go ahead and take a look and just spend a couple seconds reading the various material here on the page. Now, specifically, we want to submit an IT ticket, so we go ahead and click right here. Now, once you're in here, you're going to have to go ahead and type in your username and password. This will allow you to access your account with IT. Now, when you pop in here, you're going to notice if you have already submitted some tickets, they will be in here, and they will tell you the status of those as well. As you can see, I have one currently open and multiple other ones that have been closed already. So, Tech Support Center, this just gives you another kind of idea as to a layout for your tickets that you've previously submitted. And here you can find more detail about those who specifically worked on them and etc. But for the purpose of this exercise, we want to look at the IT knowledge base. So go ahead and click knowledge base. Now this is going to bring you up a bunch of knowledge base articles related to different information and technology in general here on campus. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and view by all items category, and we're going to select email Google Apps. So for instance, let's say you are interested in creating a contact list for a class you have. Maybe you're teaching a course, and instead of emailing 20 students individually, we can create a group of contacts. And those contacts can then be put into a group. As you can see right here, these two articles go very, very well together. So you just simply click on that link, and this will take you to directions of how to perform that specific task. Here's a URL for this same exact site as well. You can see when the article was created and when the article has been modified. Back to article listing will take you right back to the list here of different categories that you would want. This is really nice. It's really helpful. As you can see, there's a lot of different knowledge base articles for Gmail. And again, you can go ahead and see in here as well as that will help you. When you click on the link, it will take you here. So this is nice if you want to, for instance, copy this link and bookmark it or share it with your student, share it with someone. You can do that as well. Back to article listing, you'll notice we can go back and search again by specific category, or maybe we want to look up something very specific. So we're going to type in help. And now all the different aspects, specifically within email and Google Apps category that has help, we can go ahead and look at those here. We can go to all items and again type in help, and now you're going to notice a whole bunch more articles pop up depending on the category that they're in. So if you are interested in learning more about Blackboard or you're struggling with something in Blackboard, go ahead, you can use that. You can check this out. This is a really, really great place to go if you're having any technology issues. You can troubleshoot these and problem solve on your own by looking at these. But again, you have to be signed in to IT to be able to do this. Always, always remember, when you are finished, you go ahead and you log out. So that concludes our little tutorial today on using the IT knowledge base here at Ashland.